Imagine this, humans have suddenly disappeared from Earth. Today we discuss about this. Welcome to my channel. Let's start. What happens on the first day? Power grids across the globe start failing, plunging the world into darkness. Subways flood, as the pumps keeping them dry cease to operate. Meanwhile, pets locked indoors feel the pangs of hunger and thirst. The world we once knew, bustling with human activity, is now eerily quiet and rapidly changing. As the sun sets on this first day without humans, Earth is already beginning to look different. Now let's fast forward to 1 week after the disappearance of humans. In the absence of human supervision, cooling waters and nuclear power generators have evaporated, causing meltdowns and releasing radiation into the environment. Animals, once confined to zoos, farms and laboratories, have seized their newfound freedom and begun to roam the Earth. Uncontrolled fires sparked by lightning, gas leaks or forgotten candles have spread far and wide in cities and forests, decimating many buildings and habitats. Satellites, their orbits decaying without human intervention, have plummeted back to Earth, creating bright streaks across the sky. Meanwhile, in the urban underbelly, rats and cockroaches have found a paradise in the abundant food waste left behind by humans. Without our presence, they are thriving, their populations booming in the span of just 7 days. In just a week, the Earth has undergone drastic changes. A month has now passed since humans vanished. How has the Earth transformed? The fate of pets is a somber one. Those unable to escape or find food have succumbed to starvation. Some dogs, however, have managed to adapt. They've formed packs, reverting back to their instinctual ways and hunting other animals to survive. Meanwhile, the concrete jungles we once knew are changing. Vegetation is making a strong comeback, creeping over roads, sidewalks, and buildings. The once familiar city skylines are slowly being reclaimed by nature, with greenery breaking apart the concrete and asphalt, a testament to nature's resilience. And the air, it's cleaner, purer. Without the constant hum of human activity and pollution, there's a quietness that hasn't been experienced for centuries. The Earth, a month in, is beginning to breathe again. A month in and the Earth is returning to its natural state. 3 months post-human disappearance, the Earth continues to evolve. The dams, once maintained by human hands, now give way under the pressure of water and sediment, flooding downstream areas. This, however, isn't a disaster. Instead, it's a revival, restoring natural river flows that have been artificially controlled for ages. The ocean, too, is experiencing a resurgence. Marine life, long subjected to overfishing and pollution, begins to recover. The coral reefs, the underwater rainforests, start to heal, regaining their vibrant colors and teeming biodiversity. But the changes aren't confined to water bodies alone. The towering skyscrapers, once the epitome of human achievement, now serve as nesting grounds for birds. The concrete jungles transform into real ones, as insects busily pollinate flowers in urban gardens, undisturbed by human activity. 3 months in, and nature is reclaiming the Earth. The planet is healing, thriving, and adapting all on its own. It's a testament to the resilience of life, and a reminder of the transient nature of human existence. A year has passed since humans disappeared. How does the Earth look now? Wooden structures once lovingly maintained are now succumbing to the relentless assault of termites and fungi. Metal structures, too, are not spared. Rust and corrosion gnaw at their integrity, particularly in humid and salty environments. But amidst this decay, some symbols of human ingenuity stand defiant. The Eiffel Tower, the Statue of Liberty, the Golden Gate Bridge, they endure, though now draped in vines and adorned with birds' nests. The absence of artificial lights has returned the night sky to its pristine state. Starlight, undimmed by human interference, paints a breathtaking canvas every night. 1 year later, the Earth is a quieter, darker place. Decade into the human disappearance, the changes are profound. Vehicles, once symbols of human progress, now sit as lifeless relics. Cars, trains, planes, all reduced to scrap metal, with broken windows, flat tires, and empty fuel tanks. In the absence of human interference, some animals thrive. Elephants, rhinos, and pandas, once on the brink of extinction due to human poaching and habitat destruction, now roam freely. However, not all changes are positive. Polar bears, penguins, and seals find themselves threatened by the unchecked global warming and melting ice caps, a grim legacy of our past activities. 10 years later, the Earth is a wilder place. A century has passed since humans disappeared. What does the Earth look like now? Cities, once buzzing with the humdrum of human life, are now unrecognizable, swallowed by forests and grasslands. The urban landscape has given way to nature's indomitable force. Historical structures like the pyramids and castles still stand tall, their resilient materials and designs defying the ravages of time. Yet they are silent witnesses to a world that once was, now overrun by wilderness, their grandeur lost amidst the enveloping green. But not all traces of humanity have disappeared. The long-lasting impact of our plastic pollution persists. Plastic bottles, bags, and toys litter the land and sea, slowly degrading into microscopic particles. This plastic residue, a stark reminder of our footprint, continues to harm wildlife, even 100 years after our exit. A century later, the Earth is unrecognizable. A world reclaimed by nature, bearing the scars of a past dominated by humans. We've taken a journey through time, observing how Earth would change if humans suddenly disappeared. From the immediate silence to the eventual reclamation, it's clear that nature is resilient. Buildings crumble, animals adapt, and the air becomes cleaner. But the remnants of our existence, from nuclear meltdowns to plastic pollution, linger on, reminding us of our long-lasting impact. It's a sobering thought, but also a testament to the enduring power of the natural world. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.